Area I throw a salute. Now they welcome for football and pitching after match to come. How you see Bournemouth 0 and Arsenal 3, and we get Oga Kess, will be very ogbongelistic Arsenal fan. Make tell us about how you see the game. Oga Kess, now how you see Arsenal performance for this game?
Yeah, I love their play. Now they play well. I'm not saying they will go somewhere this season. Like they will compete for something this season.
So to you, no shaking, you believe say Arsenal will compete well for the league? I be what they want compete for? I been at top 4. Which of them?
No, not be about league. When I top 4, let me believe say they'll fit to compete for this season.
So for you, top 4 now, you believe say Arsenal will make top 4 with waiting you they see?
Yeah. They feel even win cup, only league cup. They compete for inside too.
So to you, League Cup, maybe people they expect Arsenal to do well. But I want to ask you, last season we see the way Arsenal start. They don't start the season well. 3 games, they never even score any goal, and they lose the 3 matches. But this season, we they see difference. What do you think say don't change between last season and this season? Because now the same manager still there. Some of the players from last season are still there, but some new players join them. But what do you think say you they see differently from the Arsenal we start the season and this Arsenal for this season?
We try to see from toward the end of the season, nothing changed. But now injury, so wetin Arsenal need now, they need more players, need to sign more players, make injury not affect them. Nothing changed from last season. Wetin they still close the season. We also now injury, now just play that play. Last season, at the momentum they still start the season again.
For this game now, Martin Odegaard will be the captain, scored 2 goals. Yeah. And when they make him captain, some Arsenal fans say, not be Martin Odegaard, saying too young, not be him they're supposed to make captain. But so far since they make him captain, what do you think about Martin Odegaard? You think saying don't step up in game since they make him captain?
He don't step up in game normally. In a captain material, now the captain that country too. Especially if they organize team, a captain material is doing well. I'm not complaining for that one, I better choice.
So to you, Odegaard, sure candidate for captain?
Yeah, very sure.
But what about Gabriel Jesus? Even though he say no score for this game, but in performance when we see, say it makes sense, that he make that run, that move leading to the first goal. But what do you see about this signing? Because it be like say, since he come Arsenal, he don't make the players where they are around them even better. But you as Arsenal fan, what do you see about Gabriel Jesus signing since he become Arsenal player?
Yeah, a good player, you see the impact as a player impact, you see him for the game. He play well. You go do great things for Arsenal normally. It's just a start. You see the game now, you see what he play. Normal.
What about Mikel Arteta and Gaspar Edu? What do you think about the 2 of them work? Because when they do one interview with Gaspar Edu, he talks say any signing where Arsenal sign, no be Edu signing. Now Arsenal signing, say him and Mikel they work together. How you see this their transfer window in general, the work where they don't do? Some players don't come out, some players don't come Arsenal. What do you go rate this work so far? And even today, player like Nicolas Pepe not there for inside the team because they say him in the talk with Nice to go loan. How you go rate the transfer work when Gaspar Edu and Mikel Arteta they do?
They are doing a great job now. They do great job normally. I like where they build the team for young teams. Way back I just be so. They build them for young players. That be a plan. Like as a like this. They will play together. It's okay.
So, but now with say Pepe they go Nice for loan now. Some people they talk say the club go on sign one other winger. Now, which players they your mind when it comes to wingers now? Potential signing where Arsenal fit sign because they don't get links with players like Gakpo and some other players for this transfer window. Even the Jeremy Pino the winger from Villarreal. Which player you would like make Arsenal sign to replace Pepe?
Yeah, to me, Pepe, so me, from my opinion, I don't like me the loaner. I don't like me the loaner. I like me to see the winger come the team. Me, if I'm manager, I don't start Saka for my game.
Why you not start Saka?
The boy, they need to caution the style of the play. Not the right. As in, they follow one way. The style of the play, they need to caution us. Anytime you ball, may not depend on the left leg. So me, I'm not going to sell Pepe. I will try to bring her come the team, maybe blend with the team.
So now me say you don't like that decision now?
I don't like the decision.
So you want me Saka they use in right leg more because you talk about him they use in left leg?
Yes, now he already depend on the left line. It's not right. So maybe they see the talk to player coach when they talk and say at least probably one place they run they follow because they predict it.
All right now, Oga Kess, before I go let you go now, 3 games, we know say na just 3 games, so but with waiting you they see for these 3 games, how high you think say Arsenal go finish for the Premier League table by the end of the season?
Top 4 sure.
Top 4 sure for you?
Sure, die.
All right now, Oga Kess, thank you for your time.